Okay, so today I'm going to talk about another piece of equipment that is essential to vlogging in the Philippines, and that is the Mavic Pro drone. Now, the reason that we chose the Mavic Pro is for obvious reasons. It's compact, it's easy to put into your backpack, it has good reliability, the picture quality is outstanding, and it's 4K. Not that I'm going to be using a lot of 4K, but yeah, I looked it up, I watched a lot of videos and did my research, and pretty much every vlogger that I follow, as far as the vloggers that are traveling to the Philippines, they are actually using the Mavic Pro. And if they use it and they're getting the results that they're getting, then why do I need to really try a different one? I'll try this one first because, first of all, it was price effective. It was around $500 refurbished. I wasn't going to buy a new one for the simple fact that I would be, I don't want to spend that kind of money, first of all. And second of all, we just, you know, it's a good price and it works perfect. We've tried it several times and the quality is great. The safety features on it are great, and I love that it is compact and it really can fit into your backpack. So that's the reason why we chose the Mavic Pro, and that is the other piece of equipment that we're using to help with telling a story of a vlog. Now, these are all things that are going to be able to tell that story. All the pieces of equipment that I'm telling you and sharing with you, with what we're using and what we're bringing to the Philippines to help vlog, is just to basically tell the story. And so, yeah, so tomorrow I'll explain another piece of equipment that's crucial to sharing the story and the travel to the Philippines. So, until tomorrow.
Hey, if you like the videos, please show your love by clicking on the thumbs up button, and remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to get the latest videos.